Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to share values between different jobs in a single workflow or share values between different workflows in GitHub. So I included my example here. So I have two jobs here. In the first job, I want to get the tag, and in the second job, I want to run another workflow that I have. And I want to pass that tag to that workflow. So as you can see here, I'm using this fetch latest release to get the release from my GitHub repository. So we have a couple of steps here. In the first step, we check out the repo, then we get the latest release, and then in the last step I'm just logging the release for myself to make sure that that is what I want to get. So that is the first job I have. Then in the second job, I'm mentioning that I need this tag to be completed in order to run this job. And then I am using users properties, and I'm giving the directory to the YAML file that includes my GitHub workflow that I want to run. So I'm passing secrets tag version. I will show you how it looks like in the other workflow. Uh, but I want to show you how I passed one tag that I had in this job and used it in the second job. So you can see these outputs properties. You can give it a label like tag version as I did, and then you include steps, fetch latest release, which the ID of this step, and then outputs of that would be the tag name. So I'm getting tag name from this output of this step, and I'm assigning to the output of this job. So in the second job that I want to use that, as you can see, I'm saying I need this tag. So what I do is I do needs.tag dot outputs, which as you can see, it is the outputs of the tag job, and then I'm getting the tag version because this is the label I gave to the output tag version. So that was for the first part, how to pass values between different jobs in a single workflow. And then the second workflow looks like this. I'm saying it can be triggered on workflow call, and then the secrets I'm assigning label tag version, and then it is required. So that's what is being passed by the previous workflow. So again, this is tag version. This is the one that I assign as a label in the other workflow, and then I'm giving the value here. And then as you can see here, I have tag version, and I can use it like the secrets dot tag version and reference it to whatever I want. In my case, I want to check out my code to that specific tag version, and then I'm just I'm setting up the node. I'm running the yarn to install the dependencies, and then I'm running yarn build to build my project. But that is how I pass the value between different workflow. I'm just using these secrets and then name, and then I'm calling this secrets name here. That's it.